What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? It's windy out here, I know it, but today we have a 2012 Dodge Charger with 106,000 miles, at least about to be, and a good 1,000 of them joints is mine, because I've been driving this thing, and you probably have seen it on a few other videos, because I did the ABS module with the relearn and initialization. All right, but let's get to it, man. It has leather seats with the white stitching. All right, we got the power windows, power door locks. We got the 20s on that jump with good tires. We got the keyless entry thing right there. It's the passenger side. Passenger side with the leather, with the white stitching, power seats with the lumbar. All right. Door locks, power windows, of course. Nothing wrong with the hood, it's just up. It does have a few little nicks and dings now. It's lived life. And I didn't do it, but it has lived life now. It ain't perfect. So we adjust the price because it ain't perfect. You know, you're gonna get a deal here because it's McMath Autos. All this stuff is like little bug stuff. It can use a touch up on the paint. I ain't gonna front. It can use a touch up on the paint. Alright. But we're gonna go under the hood since we already got it up. And you have the 3.6 V6 engine. About 300 horsepower, somewhere around there. So, let y'all look around. There are no leaks over here. No rattle, thunder clatter. No overheating. What did we do? We did the ABS module. And I'm pointing, but y'all ain't gonna see it, but right here, new thermostat and thermostat housing. It just came all as one. We did the whole thing. There's some damage right here at the left front fender. I don't think that really impedes anything. You got the tires right here, a few little scrapes right there. You do have one right there. Trying to make sure I point everything out. I don't want, I didn't see it in the pictures. I didn't see it in the video, but hell, half y'all don't watch the video no way, so it don't matter. Okay, we got the power seats, memory seats. We got our headlights, power driver seat, of course. And get in here. You got your paddle shifters, turn signal and wiper blades right there. The infotainment, this right here controls. I'm not sure if you guys see that, but this right here. Right now, I said the key left the vehicle because the key is in my pocket. Just cruise control. Your paddle shifters right here, they do work. Fuel gauge, temp gauge. The infotainment center, let's see. You got your climate control with heated and cool seats. See your driver's seat right there, heated seat. Well, heated seats, not cool seats. You got your sink right there. AC is currently on. You got it on face. Let's see. I think I got my thermostat with me. Oh, not thermostat, thermometer. So let's see. Let's see where we at. 58. At 58. Coming out the vent. And it is, the temperature outside is like 60, so, and I got it set at 68. We have, y'all know I love this now, we have the sunroof. And it's got the little net that come up. Whee, yeah, all that good stuff. And it comes back. Yeah. I know, it might not mean much to y'all, but it's something to me. And then the vent right here in the middle, it vents up, close. Current emissions. You also have here the heated and cool cup holders. So the right here, the snowflake, that's what it would be cool. So cool, help keep your drink cool. And the other one on the right would be heat. Same thing on the passenger side. Now let's go. Now before we open this glove armrest, I really don't even remember what else is in here because I've been driving this car, but I don't remember what's in here. So we about to see. Okay. Only thing is in here is a receipt and an iPhone cord, which is cool with me. So you got your auxiliary plugs right here, your USB right here, and they will play music through your phone. You got an additional 12 volt plug right there. Got your power seats. What else am I missing, man? What else am I missing? What am I missing? It has a remote start also, so that's a good thing. Man, that's about it right there. That's about it. That's it in a nutshell. I'm not trying to hold y'all. Let's get to this test drive. All right, y'all. So we're leaving the car washed. Just got it cleaned up. Just got it washed off, so it's still wet. But gonna go on this quick test drive. Let's go ahead and get in. Somebody vacuuming in the back. It is again. Keyless entry. Keyless start. Once again, we have 105,927 miles. This car is a V6. Does have an eco mode. Trying to put my seatbelt on. Does have an eco mode. This car drives nice and actually has pretty good power. Tell you the truth, I wanted to do some donuts in the video, but couldn't find anywhere that was didn't necessarily have law enforcement there to check me about it. And as y'all can hear the radio work, so that's satellite radio. So the satellite radio subscription is still good. I'll go which way we want to go. We're gonna go to our left. It's only when I record when everybody want to be in your way. Everybody want to got somewhere to be. All right, so here we go. Turn this radio down because I'm getting it in over there. All right, so the radio's down. As you see, it goes into eco mode automatically on its own. If you look just to the left of the drive and the neutral, when it goes green, that lets you know it's in eco. Display does vehicle speed, tire pressure monitor, the trip and all that. So you got your fuel economy at the top, radio station, trip information, tire pressure, vehicle info, messages, so on and so forth. I'm gonna go straight. So we're gonna track straight so you guys can see. Yes, there's a crack in the windshield. No, I have no intentions on fixing it. You have your HVAC, so your entertainment. I know it ain't got the big screen like we be wanting, but you know that also costs a little extra. But we got everything else. We got the heated and cool cup holders. We got heated and cool seats that you can control through your climate here at the infotainment center. What else we got? We got the sunroof. I'm driving, so we got the sunroof. Got a V6. Got pretty good power. I think it's right around 300 horsepower, which is pretty good for a V6. I know some V8s that didn't have that. What else do we have in this thing? It has a nice sound system. I believe the previous owner upgraded the subwoofer because it's a little oversized. So got that going on. No rattle, rattle, thunder, clatter, boom, boom, boom. So we're gonna go here, make a right. We're gonna jump on the interstate real quick. Cause I be hearing y'all, hey man, get on the interstate. We wanna see what it's like on the interstate. You know, all that city driving is cool, but we wanna see what it's like on the interstate. So here we go. Merging on to the interstate. Get out of this. We go to fuel economy. Keep it there. So here we go. Onto the interstate. I'm gonna go about 180. Anyway, just so you guys can see, it has no issues getting up to highway speeds. No transmission issues. It shifts properly. There's no excessive road noise. See, it's in eco mode now. No excessive wheel shake. It's possibly you can use an alignment, but it's not nothing serious. So there you have it, guys. I've been on the interstate, drove down the street real quick, went a couple miles. This is a 2012 Dodge Charger with a V6. This is a SXT or SE. I don't remember exactly. I have to look at the title. But It's in great shape, man. Has it right around, it's about to hit 106,000 miles. I believe a good 1,000 of that is mine. McMath Autos, 404-719-8355. We can reach us at the same on all social media platforms. It is McMath Autos. My name is Chris. Peace.